slowing down. Clubber, slow down. Oh, that's usually as far as they follow me. They'll be hanging out over there until I get back after work. Well, hi, folks. Good afternoon. Happy Monday afternoon, y'all. Hope y'all are having a fantastic day. Have a beautiful day here, Laughing Goat Gardens. You can feel the breeze. We got the fall winds coming in, so we're probably gonna bring the snow anytime soon. We are one person short. Yeah, Jocko got a new home yesterday, so he's about an hour north of here now. He's in good hands. Also have someone interested in young Brutus over here. All right, Stella, look at it, dude. We're gonna try to push these guys today. It's nice and breezy. They keep going the same way. So just pasture management. Can't keep them going in the same location. If they're on their own, they keep going the same place every time, and next thing you know, you just have like a little strip where they overgraze and you know where they go. So, excuse me, Kate. Say hi. Oh wow, check this out. We got some huge piece of machinery getting hauled on the highway over there. There goes a county techs that work with the school district. Just gonna spend the afternoon out here with the dudes. Kept them on this side mostly yesterday. Today again, and tomorrow I'll probably move them a little bit further to the ridge. And it should be just kind of move them every now and then so they're not hitting the same path all the time. So, well, I know some folks have probably been curious why I've been roping a lot lately. I think I mentioned it a couple of times before, just really quick. Like, you know, I grew up with the rope in my hand, basically. Just roping, you know, we have cattle, so branding time and all that, you know, we just rope the calves, wrestle with the calves, you know, hold them down, vaccinate them, tag them. If they're male, castrate them, and then we'll brand them. So just doing that growing up, you know, you had to learn how to throw a rope. A lot of it was just on foot, but the ranch horses at the time, we trained them. Kiri, specifically, I'll use her as an example. Like her, I got her green broken. One of my dad's nephews, so that'd be my cousin, had trained her for me. So, and then I just put the work in with, and got her to basically be like an all-around horse, trail horse, ranch horse, you know. So she was like my all-purpose horse. Taught her how to be roped off of, how to drag a calf, how to cut, you know, basically all that stuff. I didn't know what I was doing, just taking tips and hints from my uncle who, you know, in their younger days were ranch hands. Come on, Johnny, get over here. And one of ours just went over there, so here she comes. You hear? Come on. Come on. Matt. 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 Here she comes. Yeah, let's go. I'm not a sheep whisperer, but come on. All I know is you got to learn a little sheep talk and goat talk. Hey, Clubber. No, just a walk after her. Over Kate and us. And a dog whisperer, I guess. All right, cool. All right, so we're good. Anyway, I have no idea what I was talking about. Something about roping and all that. So, no, go over there, Johnny. You're good. We're gonna try to push to the corner again today. We were out there yesterday, so it was pretty grassy. But I think we're gonna try to shoot straight up and then go this way. Just things you discover. So check the mail because they told me I had a package. But guess what I got? Yeah. Got some samples for merch. Some different designs. Are we ready for this? Are you ready for this? I'm ready. I've been ready since the day I ordered this. Let's see what the excitement is about, right? I forgot I had ordered a hoodie. And there's a revamped logo. And then one design says keep growing. Just the original logo. Just wanted to see the colors and all that on this one. Let's start with the beanie. I know you guys already seen this. I ordered this earlier this year as well. The brown is burgundy, so that's why I order samples. Next, we'll do the shirts. Ooh, got a weird smell to it. This is a size large, and it's a long sleeve, dark heather gray. So we have the new logo. Not new logo, it's a new design, and it says keep growing. A couple little happy sprouts in there. And I'm most likely gonna put this new logo on a shirt like that as well. I'm not a fan of like pullover hoodies, but I just wanted to see how this printed on this material and this color. So, but this one, the new logo, got a hoodie, olive green. Probably should have did like white or black, and a more popular color than olive green, but I wanted to sample on this color, so just to see what it looks like. I just wanted to make the goat a little bit more playful, you know, happier, so just have more of a dimensional element to it, you know, like three-dimensional. So this one is just flat, you know, it's like two-dimensional. I mean, you have the shadowing on the neck, but doesn't really add a whole lot of that third dimension. Like, whereas this one, you know, we have a little bit of depth. It's at a different angle, and you know, everything is working properly. So, and the goats, you gotta admit, it's pretty cute. I didn't like it at first, but I'm like, okay, it's cute. So yeah, it is like a revamped version of the logo. So what's up, folks? I was gonna go look for the dudes, but they decided to show up while I was on my way out. I let my brother take him out earlier, so now what to do? Oh, check it out, got the new merch. Very comfy. The long sleeve shirt is really comfy too. I like it. I'm thinking a little bit of roping more. I'm wanting to do a little bit more let some arrows fly, so I think we'll do that since these guys are right here. Well, let's see if I still got it. Well, not bad, folks. Did about 8 sets of 4. I guess grouping could be better. Took like about 8 months off. Still got it somewhat. Totally missed it though. And it's the only time you can really clear your mind. I mean, last year I was doing about 120 yards of motion. Man, total focus. I gotta get to doing some other things, and we'll see what we get into. Y'all have a wonderful afternoon. All right, peace. Well, folks, here we are. The caballos are in. I'm gonna get their hooves trimmed. Here comes the farrier guy. Gotta catch him, put a halter on him, and be good. It's funny, I always carry him around. This is Rowan's. This is Kiri's. They have their own colors. Let's get in here and catch these two caballos. What's up, Rody? Hey, girl. What's happening, dudes? Rody. What's up, dude? Howdy. Gaat in je? Ah, daar was het. You're all covered in some dust. Alright, buddy. You rolled in some bullheads, buddy. Say what's up. Yeah. Where'd it go? Where did it go? Kinda hard to do this when you gotta move on. You Overdue, girl. Yeah. Well, Rowan and Kiri got their mani-pedi done, so they'll be a lot happier now. But yeah, just time to time, I gotta do that with them. Kiri, I was just talking with the farrier that, just kind of recalling that, you know, she was, you know, like 2 years old when she got here. And that was back in 97. 26 years old. You believe that? That's crazy. And, yep, it was crazy. I was just telling her that. I was just like, wow, that's crazy. Like all the crazy times we had with like the first 10 years of her life, you know. Saturday's tomorrow. We might be going out of town to visit that grandbaby. We bought some clothes for her last weekend. So we're just gonna deliver that, and we should be back by this time because Sunday morning we gotta round up the cattle, and I think I'm good. I should be like at 75 now because I sold a ram. Yeah, Brutus is still up for sale. Crazy thing is, I need to do something that's like makes more sense for me. In my area, there are more people that have sheep. You know, I think like 98% have sheep, and then there's like me that has goats. So it just makes more sense to go 100% sheep at the moment. So, oh my God, there's a river.